Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can fix the Steam WebHelper not responding issue on Steam in 2026. So let us guide you through this, guys. So if you have been experiencing this problem and lately here on Steam, this is how I at least fixed it. So follow my steps. What you want to do, guys, is navigate to Steam, log into it, and after that, once you're inside on Steam and you're still experiencing this issue, you may navigate to your device's task manager. If you don't know how to access your task manager, simply use the shortcut Control Alt and which one was it? I guess it was delete. It may depend on your keyboard and your device. However, guys, you may always simply right click on the taskbar at the bottom and simply select the task manager from that menu. As you can see, the interface language is not English for my operating system, but you will see the task manager option inside that menu. So once you're inside your task manager, navigate to Processes tab in the top left and locate the Steam WebHelper process. As you can see, it is listed at almost at the very top of that list of ongoing processes. So what you want to do, guys, is right click into it and select and this process. That is going to temporarily at least end the WebHelper process here. However, guys, you'll be able to run it again by relaunching the Steam application on your device. However, before you do that, you will need to access also your Steam files on your device. To do that, if you're on Windows 10 or Windows 11, click into search in the bottom left, type in Steam, or if you already see the Steam application here in that menu, simply right click into it and select navigate to file location. And that is going to redirect you to the Steam file location on your device. What you want to do here, guys, is right click into it and select properties. And that is going to open up that card here. So what you want to do here, guys, is navigate to complicated word, compatibility, which should be amongst these cards here at the top, of course, in your operating system language. And from these options below, guys, simply enable the compatibility mode here by selecting the checkbox, and also select Run as Administrator. Don't forget to save these settings by clicking into Apply in the bottom right, select OK, and after that launch Steam again on your device, and the WebHelper not responding issue should be fixed. Please let us know in the comments down below if it did fix it for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.